waga naambiaga watu you have to lazima tujiulize sisi wenyewe, why are we here, what is this place? No, you have to ask because life is not about, it's not about us waking up in the morning, going to work, coming home, watching televisions, sleep, tomorrow going to work, on Sunday going to churches, Fridays going to mosque. Is it all about that? Is it all about, you have to ask, is this God just created us for this and for us to worship him, to work and to worship only? You have to ask yourself questions, because it is through asking the right questions where right answers come from. There is this aspect, people are calling it as it came as a concept, but it was looked down upon, that you are the center of the universe. That this earth is at the center of the universe and everything rotates around it. Number one. And then this concept was followed by another concept that humans are the stars. But it was looked upon as a myth. This is what happens, Sheila. What you see up at night as stars is who everyone is. Is who what everyone is. It is just it is a projection of us. There is nothing outside there. Number one. Nothing. You are the stars. Number two, that story of earth, that we are the center of the universe. This is what is happening. I told you last time. This density, third density, it is the beginning of physical densities to infinite. And it is the beginning from within of dimensional realms to infinite. This is where everything starts. And because going up in densities it's infinite, going down in dimensions within is infinite, going up in dimension within us is infinite. The ending is this same place where the beginning is. It is the only place where there can be an ending. This is what last time I told you what Alpha and Omega means. So that we looked down on those concepts, but this concept, they were having some, if they were not true, they are not true, they are having some grander truths within them. If they are not true, they have grander truths within them. Because if this is the start of the physical densities, and everything else which comes into form and shape is being put form and shape by humanity. Therefore, all the physical densities which we are always talking about, there's this constellation, there are this number of galaxies, there are this number of planets, they are being held into form and shape by us. Our universe is being held into form. Our all physical universe is being held into form and shape by us. This story of Earth being a planet is a scam, Sheila. It is a greatest scam. Earth is not a planet, Sheila. Earth is a sun. And I'm telling you, it is that central sun of the universe where everything revolves around it. This is a sun, it's not a planet. And people will be thinking like, why, if it was a sun, we could be flying right now or explode. Sheila, this is I'm telling you, this sun we are seeing is not millions of miles away. It is a projection. And as I told you, everything is a lesson. Sheila, the heat and light you experience from the sun does not come from the sun. The sun is cool. It just projects energy. Therefore, when I say this place is a sun, it does not have to burn hot at 1,000,000 degrees centigrade. It is the energy that we give out to the universe. This place is what holds the universe of negativity and positivity. The polarized universe is being held into form and shaped by us. That's why there is manipulation of the angels and the positive side, and manipulation of the devil, demons, and the negative side. It's because there is this thing what people are, and it is in science. They are always giving us the truths in bits, but we don't understand. They say that civilizations, they are type 1, type 2, type 3, and they say there is a civilization that, like ours is type 1, that's harnessing energy they are harnessing energies of the planet only. And then we have to reach the type 2, where we can harness all the energies of the sun. Then there is type 3 that can harness the central energy of the central sun, that is of the galaxy. Then there are advanced and higher physical beings who are technological advanced that can harness energy from the central sun. This is what is happening. This is what the matrix is. And it is not like there is parasitic or what. It is what existence is. Your energy feeds another one, and another one feeds another one. It is oneness. So this harnessing of the central sun of the universe, harnessing of energies, is what is happening here. When others are here to manipulate you, to give out negative energies, others are manipulating you to be of love and light. It's the energy needed there. It's being harnessed. Sheila, half of the truth of what this place called Earth is has never been told. Has never been told. And no one has gone outside. This is the central sun of the universe. And I think the color of its color is a blue sun. I think it's a blue sun.
What are your orange one?
It is a blue sun. It is a blue sun because I'm sure what we are seeing as blue there is what is the color of this sun. It is the blue sun. It's giving out energy of that, like something like that. I'm not sure. This is my own thinking, physical mind thinking. I think that is how, and this is how and everyone, when you are told that, and actually there is another story yet again, that this what we call as, that when I'm telling you that this thing we are calling God is something mysterious, it's still a mystery to every being in the universe. It's still a mystery. It's because what we think as God, as the universe, it is like there are multiverses, infinite multiverses. It's just one, like it is a local universe. They are yet again revolving in yet grander central sun of multiverses. And it goes like that to infinite. So this thing is a mystery. Therefore, there is another concept which actually not a concept, a story that says it is a concept that this universe, it is called a failed universe. A failed universe. It was infiltrated. It was like the energy was one of light. Then it was infiltrated from another dimension. And this is where the stories of the Draco reptilians come from. These guys were ejected from another timeline, from another universe, because of their chaos. And they popped up in this one. They popped up with this one, and this is what people should always try to digest things. If the whole universe, if our galaxy itself has got more than 260 trillion planets, therefore, and there are billions and trillions of galaxies, it means there are many, many planets. And if there are many planets, why did those beings ejected from another universe, when they popped up here, they came and held hostage this planet of all the planets? And others are my planets of higher being. Why they came straight to and take hostage of this planet? That's why I'm telling you, it is not a planet. It is called a failed universe because it was infiltrated like with a virus, direct at the central sun where we are. This is what it is, a sun. After it was infiltrated, that's why it became polarized. This is the only universe which is polarized. A failed universe, which was in the verge of extinction. Right now, this work we are doing, we are taking it back to its glory. That's why we are bringing everything into oneness. You infiltrated. You guys infiltrated. Let me tell you, we're not denying you. We are one. The source, that which is ever knowing, which is a mystery which we are journeying to. We are one. Polarity to exist, everything to be one. Because wherever they were, the universe which they were ejected from, it was of God too. Part of God, and God by itself.